Hi there. Before we get started, please note that this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as financial advice. It's important to do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. Let's discuss the stock market's foundations and how to build an investment portfolio. To invest in publicly traded corporations, one must buy and sell shares of stock on the stock market. When you buy stock in a company and invest in it, you get a piece of the business. Your stock's value rises and falls in tandem with the company's fortunes. Creating a brokerage account is a good first step for anyone interested in investing in the stock market. One way to invest in the stock market is by opening what is called a brokerage account with a financial institution. You can open an account with a brokerage firm of your choice either online or in person. Most of the time, if you want to open an account, you'll need to give some personal information and put money down. Obtaining a brokerage account is the first step to engaging in stock trading. You can invest in the stock market in a variety of ways, including by purchasing individual stocks, investing in a mutual fund, or trading stocks on the exchange, ETF. Rather than putting all your money into one company, you can spread your risk by purchasing shares in a mutual fund or exchange-traded fund instead. Those just starting out or looking to reduce their exposure to risk might benefit from this strategy. There are a few things to remember regardless of the investment strategy you pursue. Before putting your money into a company, it's crucial that you learn as much as possible about it. You should also be clear about how much you are willing to risk and how much money you want to make. Last but not least, keep track of how the market is doing with the help of a financial advisor or your own research. We appreciate you taking the time to watch our video on the basics of the stock market. We trust that it was informative and that you now have a clearer picture of the stock market and how it operates. Always keep in mind that you should do your own research and talk to a financial advisor before making any investment decisions, as investing in the stock market is not without its share of hazards. Like and subscribe for more videos like this one on personal finance topics if you found this one helpful. Also, please share your own stock market experiences with us by leaving a comment below. We appreciate you taking the time to watch.